What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another mall unboxing and review video. This time we've got the NG models JetBlue A321 in the new defining, or the new mint livery, should I say, named A Defining Moment, November 982 Juliet Bravo. Looking very nice, very excited to have this model. I've not seen this aircraft in person yet, but I'm excited to see it one day. And exciting to see what JetBlue has in store in terms of painting more aircraft, whether it's the same livery or different. I'm really curious to see what they've got up their sleeves and what they're planning on doing. Because apparently this one is the start of many. They're going to have sort of a new look, whether it's going to be the exact same for all mint planes, or if their whole fleet's just going to end up, with a sort of new blue look, whatnot. So, yeah, here's the box. Very, very nice. You got this sort of pattern with the blue, the turquoise, the mint color, and then the white, looking very, very nice. So, yeah, very excited to have this. Let's get right on into it and take a look. Always happy to add another JetBlue A321 to the collection, as they're super common at LA. So this one is one of those, I believe, that's in that mint configuration. So it's one of the Transcon aircraft. And here we go. Wow, very excited for this one. Alrighty. Here we go. No issues I can see right there. Very excited for this. Alrighty, here we have the model. Wow, she looks fantastic. Let's take a closer look at what we got going on here with the blue. Look at that. Very, very nice looking aircraft. Very excited to have this one. It's nice to see, kind of doing away with the white, all white, add some blue. Let's, change it up. Honest, kind of like Southwest with all blue. It's kind of funny, but anyway, let's zoom in here and get started. Excuse me. You got the cockpit windows and the cockpit, the nose area and everything. Very, very nice. This new mold, or the new updated sort of A321 mold, and everything looks fantastic. You got the antenna at the top right here, the L1 door, and you got the name, A Defining Moment, right there. The gear looking really nice. I think they've done a good job with updating the gear look and everything. As I say, L1 door right here, the JetBlue titles in between, and the L2 right there. Looking very, very nice. I think that's just, let me just wipe that off there, my bad. Looks like there's some grease come from some of the planes come with that sort of grease on it from the manufacturers. There we go. Anyway, moving along, we got the IAE engines looking very, very nice. Well positioned and no, tilts or anything. Looking very nice. Not, correct size. Not too large. Not hanging too low. Well mounted. Very, very nice. Got the L3 door kind of back there, the emergency exit, in other words. And then you have the mint colored sharklets. Looking very, very nice. Got the Wi-Fi dome right there, you got the antenna at the bottom, and then you got the antennas at the top. And now kind of coming back here, so it's really cool because it's kind of like the pattern is, it's more than just a tail now, it's got the whole back end here. Got the whites, the green, the mint color, the sort of turquoise, got the darker blue and whatnot. It's all kind of part of that mint look and feel. So very, very nice. And I love how, the blue is now, the body is blue. The pattern's more than it's on the body, so it's more than just on the tail. I think that looks fantastic. You also have the tail fin with this sort of pattern on it as well, but looking very nice. Got the registration and American flag right there. November 982 Juliet Bravo. And you got the L4 door at the back right here. Taking a look at the tail cone and horizontal stabilizer area, looking very nice. There's great detail there on those. And with that, and spinning it around, the baggage door is somewhere somewhere right there, and then the bulk bin's right there. So you got the winglets, or sorry, the wings with a great detail on it, and then the sharklet with that sort of mint color, which is very nice. And then on this side, it's just the forward cargo door, which is right in this area here, right there. It's a little hard to see, but yeah, a very, very nice aircraft, a very nice look. And as I say, I'm excited to see what JetBlue is going to do in terms of painting more aircraft. I'm surprised that none of the newer, well, there was a couple A321 Neos, like the NXs, and I think one or two of the LRs that have been delivered since this livery came out. But I guess they got painted at the factory before anything or any changes, because those were delivered in the standard, livery. So I'm not sure if those will eventually come with a new livery or have a new livery. It'll be interesting to see as well. But for now, it's just this one aircraft in this livery, and I'm excited to see, which other ones will come and get painted and whatnot. So yeah, anyways guys, that's gonna do it for this video. So I hope you excuse me guys, I hope you did enjoy, and if you did, smash that like button, subscribe for more model unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. And with that guys, I will see you in the next one. Take care.